Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Well, this is gonna be a late night video again. Usually I make my late night videos when I play some Amiga games, when it's late night, when the rest of the family is sleeping. But this one is not a gameplay video, it's another Amiga 1000 video. I just love the Amiga 1000. There's just something magical about them. This one, condition unknown. I've been told that it shouldn't work, but no matter what, I want to give it a try and make this machine work because I really love these Amiga 1000s, and second of all, they're just not easy to find. With this one, I got the original mouse here, yellowed, and to my big surprise, I actually got another one with the 90-degree plug for the Amiga 1000. I mean, you can use normal mouse like this with a normal plug like this, but I mean, the original this looks like this back in 1985 when it first came out. With this one, I didn't get the Golem expansion here. I don't know if it's expanded here, but I got a lot of discs and yeah, some other Amiga hardware, but I'm not going to just pout it up. I'm gonna disassemble it, look at the caps inside if there any leakage, because these ones are not born with batteries, but still caps can damage the main board. So I'm gonna disassemble the top, take a quick look at everything, and then we will power this baby up. Alright, the top cover is off, and this machine had only had one owner from new, and I think it has never ever been opened before. These from me probably. Yeah, it's got 250K RAM cartridge installed in the front, so it's got 510 kilobytes of 512 kilobytes of RAM. Sorry guys, it's late. But if you follow my YouTube channel, my last Amiga 1000 video, the fan, while I was filming, it just stopped working. So I replaced it with a low noise fan. That was a real good idea. So I'll probably change that one too. But this one looks better condition wise than the last video I did, so I hope I can fix it, guys. I really hope I can fix it so it runs. This one is different than the other Amiga 1000. The other one I have from my last video from a month ago, please go back and check it out. It had a similar motherboard, but here it had another daughter board with some pins going down. I don't know if that's an early model, because it was, the serial number was under 1000, the first one I had, and I don't know if it was an early edition or an NTSC edition, because I had looked at the chips These are made, as you can see here, the 38th week of 1986. Again, the same week here, and 86 also here. I don't want to touch nothing, not yet. So this came out, yeah, a year later. So maybe it's a later revision, or the other one is NTSC, the other one I had, and this one is PAL. I don't know. If you know it, please write it down below. But I have checked the capacitors. So these old Amigas, they have these old style of caps here, not like the Amiga 4000 and Amiga 1200, those SMD. I hate those capacitors because they leak downwards on the traces on the motherboard and eats everything up. They're just the worst, man. But these one, as you can see here, they got a little from the fabric, they got a little crack here. They all have that. So you can see here, so if anything happens, they blow up upwards, and not as dangerous as the SMD ones. But if you look at these, I haven't measured them or nothing, but they all look perfect. real nice. So I have given it a quick inspection here, and I can't see anything wrong. I really love this revision without the daughter board, because I took off the daughter board and I didn't like that construction. This is just one main board. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I just love the Amiga 1000. So my trusty screwdriver here, my copy of Kickstart 1.2, and my sys chest. Everything is ready. So let's turn on my new CRT monitor that I actually like using, and turn it on for the first time for the last many years. I hate that, but I will be ready to. Alright. No bang sound. That's good. White screen, and come on. Oh, only white screen. Damn. Oh, let me check this. Okay, it runs, but so this is not good enough for me. I can barely. Yeah, it runs, but I have to replace this, that's for sure, guys, that's for sure. But it should have a disc asking for a kickstart disc, but nothing happens. Damn. Alright. So the first thing I will do is, of course, turn the power off, take off all these ICs, and reinstall them again. Sometimes it will help, but I am happy it's not the black screen, but because the white screen, I hope I can fix it. I just hope it's just that. But guys, it's late, so I wish I could. I wish it just worked, but I will make this one work. I have too much love for it to just let it go. I installed the screws back in place again, so I know what goes where. It's really important to me that it stays original, you know. It's important for me. Will this do anything? No. Alright guys, I usually don't do this, but let's call this one Part 1. It's so dumb, I know it, but I will upload this as Part 1, and when I have taken off all the ICs and maybe recapped it and all that, then I will make Part 2. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to check my club at Facebook. It's called Commodore 64-Amiga RETROCENGO. Come in and join. So see you on part 2, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.